Baby girl, I see you making all the body moves. Got me catching all those feelings now. I want you.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gear Up Chale on Wilkins Px8. And today we are going to unbox the Wilkins Px8. So the PS8, the last time you saw I unboxed the PS7 S2. Anyway, so this is the flagship model, just like the 7. This one supports again the Bluetooth, made for iPhone, iPad, works with Android as well, and the Qualcomm aptX adaptive and then aptX HD for low latency transfer. Let's see what is in the box. This one will be in line with the Apple AirPod Max because this is the flagship model for Wilkins, yeah, the Px8. All right, there we go. Oh, a proper case again. Okay, let's put that one on the side. Quick setup guide. PSN, okay, it works for both of them. Yeah, so the guide is the same. You download the application and then you can go ahead and just pay your headphone and you're good to go. So that's all you get, no stickers. Let's put that one on the side. Headphone right here in the shot. Okay, so a proper case, very slim case. I think this will be the same size as the PS7. Hold up. The comparison here. Yep. Yeah, it's the same size as the PS7. Yeah, anyway, okay, all right. So let's see what comes in here. Oh, wow, okay. Let's put it on the side. Okay, so the compartment here, what do we have? Again, 3.5 audio jack to a USB Type-C. Thank you so much, Wilkins, for including this cable all the time. USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Again, thank you so much for doing that. The European Union forced Apple to now change all their devices to USB Type-C. So no more slow lightning cable anyway. Saving the environment with the lightning cable, Apple. You don't have to buy this separate. It comes in the box, Apple. And you get a proper case. Yeah, so you get a proper case. All right, so let's put this one on the side. Yep, here is the headphone. You can see the difference. Yeah, this is the premium because this is made of metal. Is this a plastic? No, it's not. It's aluminum. Yeah, again, the physical buttons. So the design is the same as the PS7, but the sound quality, the drivers in here, these are bigger drivers compared to the PS7. So this is the flagship model. Also, this comes in various colors. You have the black. I'll put them here, something like that. Let me get a PS7. Okay, so the 7 is made of plastic, but it looks very good. Like it looks really good. The flagship is made of aluminum. It just looks beautiful. Obviously, the sound quality here will be better than here. With the firmware update, if you should update, Bowers claim that the sound quality will get kind of closer to the flagship model. I don't know. I have to test that. That for me to, if it is true or not. But this is the PS8. I got this one for my wife and got this one for me. Reason why is, for my setup. Remember, I unboxed the Our Lake. Like I said, it supports the Qualcomm aptX. Yeah, adaptive. This here supports the same. So for low latency transfer for both headphones for my wife and myself, because our setup is very close to the baby's room. We don't want to wake the baby up in the night when the baby is sleeping. So this one allows us to game at night and being able to stream to both headphones without any delay, and also watch movies without the surround from our Blu-ray player and all of that. Anyway, if you guys want to see the setup, want me to do a video on the setup, you guys should let me know. Comment below there, let me know, and then I will do a video on the setup. But yeah, this is the Px8, the flagship for Wilkins. They make good headphones. yeah, so I'm gonna test the ANC on this one as well, maybe compared to the AirPod Max. Anyway guys, this is it. This is what comes in the box. Proper headphone, proper case, and the cables. Get 3.5mm cable and a charging cable. All right guys, thanks once again for joining me on Gear Up Chale. Again, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and follow me up on Instagram, and don't forget to comment below. All right, I'll see you guys in another episode. Peace out.
Something real deal, ain't nobody like me. Casey Banks, now you know who I am. Casey Banks, now you know I'm the man.
I don't see a man at the party, and I just wanna get close to